Nakiisa sa kauna-unahang Christmas lighting ng isang global brand dito sa Pilipinas ang ilang sikat na bituin sa mundo ng showbiz. Kung ano at saan yan, alamin sa balitang A to Z ni Lane Garcia.
Star-studded ang Christmas lighting ng sikat na international brand na Tiffany & Co. sa Makati City ngayong gabi ng Miyerkules. Present here si Miss Universe 2023 Michelle D. na nagbigay din ng suporta at mensahe kay Miss Universe Philippines 2024 Chelsea Manalo para sa nalalapit niyang laban sa Miss Universe 2024 sa Mexico sa November 16.
It is Chelsea season now. Konting araw na lang po, lalaban na po si Chelsea Manalo, and I'm hoping that she brings home the 5th crown. But honestly, my best advice is while she's there, that she just makes the most out of every moment, because this moment isn't gonna come back to her. Of course, the hardest part has already been done, which is the preparation.
Spotted din ang actor-singer at music producer na si James Reid. Anya, namimiss raw niya ang pag-arte at excited siyang bumalik sa mundo ng acting. Ano naman kaya ang upcoming projects niya?
Yes, I think I'm very excited to try it again. I miss it. It's something. There's like a high you get from acting, but then especially in the long form series, I think in those long form series you really get to dive into a character. You really get to develop it. It's different with movies actually. But before the year ends, I'm releasing my EP. It's called JGH. It stands for Just Got Home. It's coming out end of November.
Dumalo rin sa maningning na event sina Sara Labati, Jasmine Curtis, Colleen Garcia, Hayden Co, Kylie Versosa at fashion icon and social media influencer Tim Yap. Highlight ng event ang kauna-unahang Christmas tree lighting ng kilalang global brand, kung saan nagniningning sa tingkad ang asul na pailaw ng Christmas tree, sumisimbolo sa peace, calmness, and happiness. Of course, enjoy ang lahat sa after party ng event. O diba? Bongga! Para sa balitang A to Z, Lane Garcia.
Ang ating pabaong quote of the night ngayong Miyerkules ay mula sa isang theologian na si Desmond Tutu. Para sa kanya, walang hustisya sa pagpatay sa ngalan ng hustisya.